Hey guys, it's me Karli. I'm here with Glam and today we're talking about our new U-Part wig. It's a great way to achieve the same glamorous look with a new different technique. First, you part your hair in a U-shaped section. You want to take a very small amount just because the rest of your hair is going to be hidden underneath. Braid your hair and pin it back to make sure your look is undetectable. So if you have a big head like me, you don't really need to adjust the straps underneath. But if you have a smaller head, there's plenty of options so that you can make the wig a little bit smaller. Comb it through, style as you please, and make every day glamorous.